All right, I've done my first scan of the object. It's done a good job of getting the front and the back and the bottom and the top, but it has not gotten the sides. The sides were blocked by the scanner itself. So we've taken the object and we reoriented it, so now it's standing up and down, and that'll allow us to get these sides of the object. So we're going to go back to here. We click on Scan. We're still doing a 360-degree scan. As I mentioned earlier, you could also do a bracket, which would get 3 faces, or a single scan, which would just get 1. Then we do 8 divisions or 8 rotations, which usually works for most of what we do. And then here we select the high definition scan, and the middle one works for this particular object. You can choose between an object that is dark, neutral, or light, and we usually go with neutral unless it's a very black object or a very bright object. And then you have 3 divisions that are based on the distance from the scanner to the object. We have macro, we have wide, and we have extended, and each one of them has a division. So macro is between 5 and 9 inches, wide is between 15 and 22 inches, and extended is between 15 and 30 inches. And it's very important that you are at the right distance from the scanner. So this is actually something we're going to do on wide. And we have this box that we can draw around the object, and this determines how much is scanned. We actually draw the box larger than we really need. It does give us a little bit more editing that we need to do, so we're going to have to edit out from the digital model all of these things. But it actually really doesn't take much time, and it gives us a little bit of insurance to make sure that we've captured the entire object. And so then when we're ready, we hit Start. We'll go back over here to the scanner, and you can see the scanner is very bright because what it does, it actually first takes a color photograph of the object. And that color photograph is used when you're creating a color animation, or if you want to actually have the ability to do color printing, you can do that as well. And then once it's taken the photographs that it needs, it'll pass out a series of 4 lasers that will move across the object.